Welcome to Email Desk, your trusted source for clear email solutions. Let's get started and make email simple.
The Outlook recall feature often feels like a magical undo button, but its frequent failure is rooted in a very strict and outdated set of requirements that are rarely met in today's diverse technological landscape. The single biggest reason for failure is that the recall function is designed to work exclusively within a single Microsoft Exchange or Microsoft 365 organization. If you send an email to someone using Gmail, Yahoo, or even a different company's Exchange server, the recall will automatically fail. Instead of retracting the message, the recipient will simply receive a second email stating that you, the sender, would like to recall the original message, which often just draws more attention to the email you desperately wanted to erase. Even if both you and the recipient are within the same organization, the chances of success are still slim. If the recipient has already opened the original email, the recall will not work, the original message stays right where it is, and they are notified of your recall attempt. Furthermore, the recipient's specific Outlook settings can sabotage your efforts. Users have the option to disable the automatic processing of recall requests, and if they have, your recall message will just sit in their inbox like any other email, awaiting manual action which may never come. The location of the message is also critical. If the recipient has an inbox rule that automatically moves your message to a specific folder, or if they manually moved it out of their inbox before your recall request is processed, the recall will fail because it is only programmed to look for the message in the main inbox folder. The platform used to read the email is another major hurdle. The recall feature is a legacy function built for the Windows desktop version of Outlook. If your recipient reads their email on Outlook for Mac, the Outlook on the web, or any mobile email client, the recall request will not be processed, and the original message will remain untouched. Essentially, for a recall to have any chance of succeeding, a perfect storm of conditions must be met. Both sender and receiver must be on the same Exchange server, using the Windows Outlook desktop client, the recipient must not have read or moved the original email, and their settings must be configured to automatically process the request. Given this fragile chain of dependencies, the feature is fundamentally unreliable in most modern work environments, making it a tool of last resort with a very high probability of failure. Thank you for watching, and if you found this explanation helpful, please consider subscribing for more tech tips.